Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jim Fox, and I have my little assistant here with my video camera, Adriana, and we're going to show you an unbelievable deal right now in Mexico, right on the Caribbean Sea. We're literally 3 blocks from the ocean, and I have pre-construction condos that you can buy from me and my partner, the developer. So what I did is I came to Mexico, I partnered up with some developers, builders, who are building these condos brand new. We're in the #1 rental market in the world right now. Let me say that again. The #1, let's just say the top three rental markets in the world right now, called Mexico. It's not on the west coast of Mexico, it's on the east coast of Mexico, Cancun, Playa del Carmen, and Tulum. Now, right now, we're situated in Playa del Carmen. I have a building right here, exactly, show them that building. We're already building it. There's units available in here that you can buy 40% undervalued. 40% undervalued through me, and we can get it done today. They sell every day. People are coming here from all over the world, USA, Canada, England, Italy, Spain, France, Venezuela, Argentina, Colombia. The guys are coming from all over the world. They're buying here. This is like the hottest real estate market on the planet right now. And I'm gonna show you one of these units. Let's just do a walkthrough. We have many projects. We have 17, 18 buildings, and we have buildings that are being funded every day. So if I can't get you a unit today, I can get you a unit tomorrow. But it's not the unit, it's not the building, it's not the condo, it's the ROI. I can show you at the end of this video 45% guaranteed ROI on your money annually. In fact, if you rent these out on Airbnb, which I'll talk about, I can show you how to make over 25 to 30% daily, okay? So let's get started. We'll take them on a little walkthrough. Want to go through a walkthrough? We're gonna stop the video here, and then we'll pick it up again inside. Cool? Let's go, vamos. Okay, hey guys, come on, we're gonna check out a unit right here. This is brand new. They just put this together in the last couple of days. Adriana, come on in. So this is what your brand new condo would look like. This is brand new. Again, the building is not finished. It comes fully furnished, couches, mirrors, you got your table, full kitchen with silverware, everything. This is ready to go, and you guys can buy it right now. These are selling every day. Closet space. This is actually your washer and dryer will go in here. Adriana, you can get a picture of that. Perfect. You got your microwave, brand new refrigerator, okay? Everything you need. Dishwasher. Here's your bathroom. This is actually a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, I believe. Yep, one in here. Here's your bedroom. Here's your flat screen 50-inch TV. Everything's brand new, drop dead gorgeous. Tiled floors, beautiful tile, okay? And then here's your second, oh, there are 2 bathrooms. Here we go, there's your second bathroom right here. Check it out, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, okay? Take a picture of the shower. And again, you can buy these brand new right now, 40% undervalued, guys. 40% undervalued. This is how you make money in real estate. You'll have a balcony outside. I don't think we can open it yet, but anyway, this would be your balcony. There'll be glass there, 50-inch TV here, ceiling fan. You've got full closet storage. Brand new. Drop dead gorgeous, fully furnished. Okay? Okay, so this just gives you an idea of what I have available. So come on over here. And I just want to show you, again, we are right, oh, we can come out here really quick. Take a little picture. Show them just over here, because right on the other side of that building is the Caribbean Ocean. We're on the beach. You're 3 blocks from the beach, guys. It is awesome, and you can just walk to everything. Right down here on the corner is famous 5th Avenue. You can just walk to restaurants, bars, entertainment. You can go scuba diving, you can go snorkeling, you can go parasailing, wave running. They got beach clubs. Guys, this is the #1 vacation spot in the world. We're in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. You need to be here. You need to be buying properties here. And we're talking huge returns on your money. So really quick, while I have you here, okay, Adriana, keep that. The first thing I can show you how to do is to buy this, let's say for $100,000, okay? Now you can sell it and flip it immediately to another investor. I can do that for you. So here's what we can do in Mexico. You can buy it for 100 grand. I can sell it in 1 month for 125,000. You make $25,000. Option number 2, you buy it when the building's complete. You're going to close, which means you'll own it. So you buy it for $100,000 cash. This one will be done, I think, in the next like 5 months. You then can sell it for a higher profit, let's say 150, because the values are going up here every day. And when the building is finished, it has the highest value because the whole building is finished and you can occupy it. You can move in here. Does that make sense? So we can flip it when they finish the building for 150. You make $50,000, which is 50% ROI on your money in 5 or 6 months. That's huge. Option number 3, buy it and then rent it. I can rent it out for you, me and my team, like Adriana. We will manage the rental for you on Airbnb, and we're getting $100. I can get $100 a day for this. $100 a day, that's right. So $100 a day times 30 days a month, that's $3,000 a month. You're making $36,000 a year. You're making 36% ROI on your money annually on a little condo in Mexico right on the beach, okay? You should buy 20 of these. You should buy 100 of these at 36% a year, and then you can use it whenever you want to when you come here on vacation. Does that make sense? So you rent it out for 2 weeks, come here, have fun. I'm sorry, you use it for 2 weeks or a month, come here and have fun, and then rent it out every day on Airbnb. That's what we're gonna do, okay? Now the other option, the last option, number 4, we have an investor program. So if you have a minimum of $200,000 to invest, you can help the developer fund another project, another building, and we can get you 45% return on your money guaranteed. Let me say that again. Our investor program, where you help our developer, our builders, invest money into buying another property to build another condominium building, and guys are building them everywhere here. I have like 18 buildings right now that we're selling, and they'll all be sold in the next 6 months. We just keep buying property, they keep building new buildings, okay? I can have you buy properties with me for the next 10 years here easily and make a fortune, guys. I'm in the #1 rental vacation spot in the world. Our investors program guarantees a 45% return on your money. In writing, it's guaranteed, okay? All right, cool. Let's head up to the rooftop pool. I'll show you where they're building the rooftop pool. And then also, I think we have an ocean view. Let's go check it out. Okay, you can, yep, we're gonna stop this. All right, guys, how you doing? We're upstairs now on this building. This is where they're putting in the pool. This will be your brand new rooftop pool and lounge area, bar. We'll have palm trees up here. And check out the view. Here's your view. You got the Caribbean Sea. There's a big cruise ship out there. That's Cozumel, the island of Cozumel, which has the #1 reef in the world for scuba diving and snorkeling. It's in the top 3. So we got Cozumel, Playa del Carmen, Tulum, Cancun, Mexico's right up there. You're in the #1 vacation spot in the world, okay? So here's what I want you to do. If you are interested in buying one of these properties, or you just want some information, we're not going to convince you or persuade you. I'm not going to try and sell you one of these. You know why? They're selling every day. I get hundreds of people responding every day from these videos. I want you to click the button below this video or right on the video. You're going to see a thing that comes up that says set up a strategy call. You can subscribe to my channel and I will get on the phone with you. And again, I'm not going to try and sell you. I'm going to run the numbers and show you how much money you can make on these pre-construction properties in the #1 rental vacation spot in the world right now. I'm telling you, if you're from North America, USA, Canada, England, Italy, Spain, France, South America, if you're watching this in Costa Rica, I have people who buy these properties from me and my developers from all over the world every day, guys, okay? Click on the button over here somewhere on the video, subscribe to my channel, set up a live call. I have an automated system. You'll go to a different page, you'll set up a call, I'll get the email, I'll get a text message, I will call you, or we'll do the other thing I want you to do is this. If you're on Facebook, give me your Facebook link and copy and paste your Facebook link in the form when you go to set up your call. and I'll even contact you on Facebook Messenger, okay? So we got many ways. We can do a phone call. I need your country code and mobile number. We can do an email. I need your email. And then we can do a Facebook Messenger message. And just get me on the phone, guys, and I will show you how to make really good returns on your money. Again, let me give you another example, okay? Little $100,000 condo. This will be worth $250,000 probably 12 to 15 months from now. You sell it, why don't you make yourself $100,000 per unit? That's what we're doing here, okay? You buy 10 of these in the next 12 months, and you're a millionaire. That's $100,000 times 10 condos. You're a millionaire within a year. Let's just say 12 to 18 months, okay? Heck, if it happens in 2 years, 3 years, is that okay? If I help you make $1 million in real estate here in Mexico, the #1 rental market in the world, the next couple years, is that okay? Will you love me? Perfect. I want you to click on the button over here or here, set up your live strategy call with me right now, Jim Fox, and also click up here to subscribe to my channel. And there's other videos here on my channel, guys. You can keep watching me, watch other videos. We're gonna go to other properties. I've got other properties I will be showing you as well. If you don't buy this one, you can buy another one. I got another building right there. Show them that building. Right there, Adriana, show them that building right there. Right there, another brand new building. Right here, okay? There's another one over there. They're everywhere. So I've partnered up with the top developers and builders in Mexico on this side of the country of Mexico. Cancun, Puerto Morelos, Playa del Carmen, Puerto Venturas, and Tulum. And I would love to help you. I would love to help you. This is real, guys. It's real estate. And I'm telling you, you can make so much money here in real estate. It's insane. Buy and flip, buy and hold, rent them out, or just come into our investors program. We have people who send us $500,000, and it helps us buy another project, build more condos, and then when we finish the project, you get your 500 grand back plus 45% ROI. That's amazing. I don't know if you're going to do that anywhere else, okay? So this is guaranteed. Love to help you. Click on the button, set up your live call, subscribe to my channel, and my name is Jim Fox. I would love to help you. I've been doing this for a long time. We're in the #1, guys, we're in paradise. This is paradise. It's 12 months of summer. You can rent these out every day and make a fortune, okay? All right, cool. We're gonna end this video for now. Adriana, actually, let me just show you my little helper here. Adriana, say hola. Say hola, amigos, hola. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Perfecto, okay? And we will talk to you soon, okay? So click on the button below, set up your strategy call, and let me show you another shot of paradise. We got a little, I think, rainstorm coming in over here. Here's the Caribbean Sea. You got Cozumel over there. And we're in paradise, guys. You want to live here. Keep watching my videos. I'll be on the beach. You'll see that you can do anything here. You can do it, but you want to make money in real estate and have fun at the same time. All right, click on the button below, set up your strategy call over here, subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my videos, get on the phone. Let's run some numbers. I will help you make some money. Love to help you. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Adios. Bye.